YouTube, Troy Stars, Trucking. Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, I'm just gonna do a quick fix on my trailer. My trailer airbags are not going up, right? So I had to went out there last night and look around to see what's going on, and I see what the problem is. Now I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna explain to you guys. I'm gonna try to do a quick fix until I go somewhere where I can get it fixed, because where I am right now somewhere is in Pennsylvania, where like a farm place, and I don't want to call in and wait out here for someone to come and assist me. So I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. I'm gonna try something to see if it works. So thanks for tuning in. Troy Stars, Trucking.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, Troy Stars, Trucking. Yes, I'm gonna go under the truck and show you guys what I was exactly what I'm actually talking about. But before I go, I met with the managers that run this farm, and basically he just told me that what they do here is actually grow mushroom. So this is the farm that grow mushrooms for for cooking, you know what I mean? So basically the mushrooms are not on the outside, the mushrooms are in those buildings. So let me turn the camera around. Yeah, so the mushrooms are in those buildings, and what I actually take to them is a thing called peat moss. And peat moss is looking like that brown stuff that you saw on the ground there. It's like basically, compost stuff to grow mushrooms. Peat moss is basically dirt, but it mixed with wood shavings and stuff like that, and basically it represents, I know there's another word I should use, but it is like the forest, like like when you go into the forest and the trees, the leaf fall on the ground and moisture and everything on it, and you can use your feet, where mushroom grow in the forest basically. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, there. So let me show you guys what I was talking about with the trailer to get you guys up and running if this ever happened to you guys. So this is what happened. Last night when I was driving, I found myself shaking really hard. Normally when you're shaking like this, you're overweight, right? The weight is greater. The trailer is not balanced. So you find out that the trailer, when you're too heavy, it starts to bounce really hard. And when I said bounce really hard, I mean like bounce out your seat like this. But I can bet you not, don't try to drink a bottle of water when you have this type of thing, because this will happen to you. Now that we get past that, let me show you what's up. So under the trailer, basically the trailers that I used to take before usually have there would be like a manual air ride thing that you could turn here, and the trailer bag would go up, right? Now this that you're looking at, this is just to slide away the trailer. So if I want to slide away the trailer, I would move this. When I move this, those pin will go in. Now if you can look, I don't think you can see the trailer bags from here, but let me show you guys see how low the trailer is. Because it's empty right now, it look like it is high, but okay, so those are the peat mass. Those are what it look like. Those are what I take in the truck. My truck is empty, I just sweep it out. Let me go under the trailer. Okay, so this is under the trailer. So this is the trailer bag. As you can see, it is soft. There is no hair in it, but hair is inside the tank. Because if I squeeze this thing, you guys can hear the hair inside the tank, right? Now, what happened is this thing breaks. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but this thing breaks. And because it breaks, it lets out all the hair from outside the airbags, right? Like I show you guys, the airbags are soft, so it will give you a very hard, bumpy ride. So to fix it, and this is like a manual fix, because what I was gonna do before I realized this part, I was gonna remove this screw, I was gonna remove these bolts and nut, right? And use one of these spare holes, even though I know it should be at a certain part, right? But what I'm gonna do, I was gonna attach it to it, but what I realized is when you move it like this, you can hear oh shit. Okay, so this is the hair going back up, so you can see the trailer moving, getting back up. So what I'm gonna do, I can stop it. I can put it to where I want it and then stop it. But you stop it at certain, okay, after you do it and it reach to the where you want, then you can carry back down this, and it will, you have to carry it at a straight down, else the air is gonna, if you leave it like this, let's say you do it and you leave it like this, as soon as you start drive and it started to bounce, then this thing is gonna shift, and when it shifts, the hair is gonna come out from through here. So what you have to do is put it all straight down. When you put it straight down, that's it not gonna move, so you can keep it here until you go and you get it fixed. So this is just a quick fix of the hair bag, the hair ride, to, you know, just in case you guys feel this type of, and you're looking where or how to get your hair bag up, you know what I mean? Sometimes there are other things that cause it, like for example this, sometimes those things get bad and not sending the hair, but in this case this thing broke, like I show you guys. I came around the back, and yeah, so now I'm good to go. Here is it in the trailer bag, so I will definitely let you guys know if it does work, or I had to remove the bolt and nut to get it fixed. So as you guys can see around here how high the trailer is. I don't know if I want it this high. Maybe I take it back down somewhere, and then I will stop it, because this look kind of a bit high, you know what I mean? So this look like it's on some high grade weed or something. It's way high. So I'm gonna take back some of the hair out and stop it where I want it. So I'm just doing it manual right now. So thanks for tuning in. You know, it's Troy Stars.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.